The meaning of the camera dream. 1. A dream to take a family photo. Many things that are not currently going on or have been blocked will go smoothly with the help of the family. 2. Dream of taking wedding photos. The work or business you are currently doing will have great results, resulting in great financial benefits. 3. A dream where someone takes a picture of themselves. You can be under someone's surveillance or gossip about your words and actions. 4. A dream of seeing a picture of someone you hate or dislike. There can be a big conflict or quarrel with someone. 5. A dream to take a picture in a photo studio. What is done without difficulty and good things happen in the house. 6. A dream in which the person in the picture came out faintly. The person in question can have major health problems. 7. Dreaming of taking pictures or asking how to use the camera. You become involved in someone's work. 8. A dream that lacks film. What you are doing is a sign that various difficulties will occur and disruptions will occur. 9. A dream to develop photographs. You can work related to creation. 10. A dream where the picture looks blurry. There is something to ask for from a person in power. 11. A dream of looking at the photo album. If it is a photo album of yourself and your family, what has not been solved due to the current difficulties will be solved. 12. A dream to take a picture of the other person. You will do something in the future with the other person. 13. A dream to take a picture with your lover. Your love deepens. 14. A dream where your lover was taking a picture with someone. What the lover is doing gets satisfactory results. 15. A dream of taking pictures of old historical sites. You get to do something important by your ability. If you liked this video, please press subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.